Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to enable desktop notifications in Gmail. So this is a good idea if you're getting a lot of important emails. You can turn notifications on so you know someone has emailed you, even if you're doing something else. So to start with, navigate to your Gmail account, click on the Settings tab and click on See All Settings. From there, you're going to scroll down until you see a section that says desktop notifications. So you should see that your mail notifications are off. If you want to turn them on, you click on New Mail Notifications, and then you need to scroll down and click on Save Changes. And you should get notifications when someone emails you now. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.